Start.
How to humbug whales communicate with each other. Humbug whales communicate with each other with the help of musical songs.
Good, very good.
Write the name of two birds. What you teacher designed, you can see only in winter. VGTL war and Wagtail, the line war and wild dog, musical bands, musical songs.
Good, very good. পড়ো।
Write down scientific name of Homo human and tygon.
পড়ো।
Human home, baby home, home, baby home. Human, H-O-M-O, Homo sapiens, tiger, Pantera, tiger.
হলো অনেকটা।